All you have to do is take the content and tell ChatGPT to make it more exciting, and it'll be way more exciting than what you started with, or make it more urgent. It's really good with tone, what are called tones, which is like the tone of the content. Is it exciting? Is it urgent? Is it compelling? Is it, eliciting an emotional response? So you can play around with how you instruct it. It's never good enough the first time you ask it to do something for you. You have to keep iterating on that, keep trying different ways of cranking out the content till you're happy with it and it's exciting enough or compelling enough. And then, like I said, you have to A B test the headlines. Let's say there's a headline on the landing page or the home page, and you can have five headlines. You can ask ChatGPT, give me five headlines to test on this landing page, and then you put them into the A/B testing tool, and eventually you'll see, okay, number three is the best. 30% of the people purchased after reading that headline, and the other ones it's way less. So then you go permanent with that headline, or you test different versions of that headline. Like I said, conversion optimization should never end. It's a never ending exercise, but you have to have the right tools, the right people running it, or you won't have a strategy. Some of it's cosmetic, the look and the feel, but the aesthetics of it or the design is like maybe 30% of the fight. Then you've got the on page optimization, the tools, the content. Then you've got retargeting ads, following the people around after they leave if they don't convert. You can retarget on multiple platforms with a low daily budget on each one. So they're followed around on every platform they go to. So that's very important. And again, capturing data, name and email, so you can put them in an email follow-up funnel, an email workflow. And all of those things together need to be utilized all together to raise conversions.